This is the first time which is grass nursery has been developed in Assam. Here we have developed 16 varieties of grass species. As you know, that in the wildlife area, grass is very important part of herbivores. In the wildlife area, woodland and grassland both are important. Around 50% of grassland is required and around 50% of woodland is required. But as you can see that during the last years, the grassland has been reducing in Manas, which is causing a threat to the herbivores because this grassland acts as a kitchen where the herbivores eat their um, food, and if they won't get sufficient grasses, then the population of the um, carnivores will also be reduced. So this is a very important step that we have developed this grass nursery, and out of this nursery we will develop uh, grassland, and uh, so that the our population of herbivores remain healthy and the carnivores will also remain healthy. So another thing is that in Manas the invasive species Leah is very prevalent, and due to which are where grassland are left is also reducing. So we are planning future to remove this invasive this species Leah and transfer it with the grasslands species.